Welcome back friends to the YouTube channel TECHNTRAINER. If you are new, then subscribe to my channel for latest updates and click on notification bell for latest videos notifications. Now I'm going to telling about HTML coding part 3. In this video I'm going to telling about Pretag. Pretag is basically used to add letter or form in the sequence wise on web page. Before video starting, subscribe my channel and click on notification bell for latest updates. And for HTML part first and part second, click on link which is below in the description. Now the video is going to start now. Now firstly, in type HTML in the open bracket using the symbols less than greater than. After that type head in the open bracket and type title in the open bracket. Then provide a title name. Here I am providing my first web page. Then after that close the title by using the symbol less than greater than and slash. After that provide a background color of web page by typing body space bg color equal to in inverted commas type the color name. Here I am providing blue color. Then type font color. By typing font color equal to provide a color name. Here I am typing provide yellow equal to space size equal to in inverted commas type the size. Here I am providing 10. Then after open the Pretag in the open bracket. Then provide type your letter or form and anything else that you need on the web page. By you can copy and paste and you can type anything else in any sequence as you type here, and you can see on the web page like that. So here I'm providing hello friends, this is my YouTube channel, and subscribe for more and more updates. Keep watching live videos, like you can type anything. After that close the Pretag by typing in close bracket pre. After that close the font in close bracket and close the body in close bracket. After that close the head in close bracket. Then last one is close the HTML in close bracket. Then click on file and click on save. You can press Ctrl S and provide a location and click on save as type and select all files and provide a file name. Here I am providing Pretag dot HTML, and HTML must provide at the end of your file. Then click on save. Then after that, open a file location, and you will double and right click on file, then open. And you can see as you type that particular sequence, and you can see also in that particular sequence. So after to close the file and subscribe to my channel. And once again, thanks for watching, and keep watching for more updates. Subscribe to our channel.